Stop setting goals. Start building systems. Everyone tells you to set goals. Lose weight. Make more money. Be more productive. But here's the truth. Goals alone don't change your life. Goals are the destination. Systems are the path. Think about it. Two people can have the same exact goal, but only one reaches it. Why? Because goals don't do the work. Systems do. A system is the daily process. The small choices. The habits that you repeat, not for a week, not for a month, but every single day. Goals have limits. Goals are temporary. Once you reach them, then what? Goals often create pressure. You feel like you're constantly falling short. Goals rely on motivation. And let's be honest, motivation doesn't show up every day. That's why so many people start strong and then quit. Systems make success inevitable. A system focuses on what you do, not just what you want. A system builds momentum, even when you're tired, busy, or unmotivated. A system becomes part of your identity. You're no longer trying to be disciplined. You are disciplined. Want to be a writer? Don't set a goal to write a book. Create a system, write 200 words every day. Want to get fit? Don't obsess over the number on the scale. Build a system, exercise for 30 minutes daily. Eat home-cooked meals. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Because when your process is right, the results take care of themselves. You stop chasing success. And instead, you become the kind of person who attracts success every single day. Final words. So if you feel stuck, unmotivated, or frustrated, stop asking, what's my goal? लक्ष्य बनाना बंद करो, सिस्टम बनाना शुरू करो. हर कोई कहता है, लक्ष्य बनाओ, वजन कम करो, ज्यादा पैसे कमाओ, ज्यादा मेहनती बनो. लेकिन सच ये है, सिर्फ लक्ष्य बनाने से आपकी जिंदगी नहीं बदलती. लक्ष्य मंजिल है, लेकिन सिस्टम रास्त. And start asking, what system can I build today?